Hi, Harry. Kamusta na? How are you, cuz? Really miss you, man. I know you're a strong guy. Maging matatag ka. Always. Always keep in mind. Ha? You're a good man, a strong man. Okay? Good men do not falter. We might fall down, we might trip, pero tandaan mo, we always stand back up. Standing stronger. Kaya, always keep faith. Everything will turn out for the best. I always pray to God na hindi ka niya mapabayaan. Tandaan mo, lahat to malalagpasan mo. Okay? Updates, si Ash, 3 years old na. Mag-school na next month. Inglesera pa. Sana mapakilala ka. Pero don't worry, I'm sure that will be soon. Ha? So ito, happy birthday pare. Happy birthday. And, yun, see you soon, ha? See you soon.